6 life-changing signs you're ready for transformation and how to seize them. Have you ever felt like life is passing you by? Like you're stuck in the same routine day after day and you're craving something more? What if I told you that the universe is constantly sending you signals, subtle hints that you're ready for transformation? But most people miss these signs because they're not paying attention. Today, we're diving into 6 undeniable signs that you're ready to change your life, and we'll explore them through the lens of mindfulness and self-awareness. These signs are subtle but powerful, and recognizing them could be the key to unlocking your full potential. Stay tuned, because this might just change your life forever. Sign 1. You feel a deep sense of restlessness. Restlessness is one of the most powerful signals that change is on the horizon. When you feel that nagging sense of dissatisfaction, it's not just boredom. It's your soul's way of telling you that you're meant for more. Think about it. When you're sitting at your desk, scrolling through social media, or going through the motions of your daily routine, do you ever feel like something is missing? That's your inner voice saying, it's time to grow. Mindfulness teaches us to be present and aware of our emotions. Instead of ignoring that restlessness or numbing it with distractions, sit with it. Ask yourself, what is this feeling trying to tell me? Maybe it's time to learn a new skill, take a risk, or pursue a passion you've been putting off. Restlessness isn't your enemy. It's your guide. It's the universe nudging you toward your next chapter. Sign 2. You start noticing synchronicities. Have you ever had one of those days where everything seems to align? You think about an old friend and they text you out of the blue. You hear the same song 3 times in a row, and it feels like a message just for you. These aren't coincidences, they're synchronicities, and they're a sign that you're on the right path. Mindfulness teaches us to pay attention to the world around us. When you start noticing these little winks from the universe, it's a sign that you're in tune with your higher purpose. Maybe you've been thinking about starting a business, and suddenly you meet someone who offers you the perfect opportunity. Or perhaps you've been dreaming of traveling, and you stumble upon a cheap flight to your dream destination. These moments are the universe's way of saying, keep going, you're exactly where you need to be. Sign 3. You feel drawn to new experiences. When you're ready for transformation, you'll find yourself drawn to new experiences like a magnet. Maybe you've always been a homebody, but suddenly you're itching to explore new places. Or perhaps you've been stuck in the same job for years, and now you're curious about a completely different career path. This isn't random. It's your soul craving growth. Mindfulness teaches us to embrace curiosity. Instead of shying away from the unknown, lean into it. Take that cooking class, book that solo trip, or apply for that job you've been dreaming about. New experiences are the building blocks of transformation. They push you out of your comfort zone and help you discover parts of yourself you never knew existed. Sign 4. You start letting go of what no longer serves you. One of the clearest signs that you're ready for transformation is when you start letting go of things, people, or habits that no longer serve you. Maybe you've been holding on to a toxic relationship, a dead-end job, or a negative mindset. But suddenly, you feel a strong urge to release these burdens and make space for something better. Mindfulness teaches us to detach with love. Letting go doesn't mean you're giving up. It means you're making room for growth. Think of it like cleaning out your closet. You don't keep clothes that don't fit anymore, right? The same goes for your life. When you let go of what's weighing you down, you create space for new opportunities, relationships, and experiences to flow in. Sign 5. You feel a strong connection to your intuition. Your intuition is like your internal GPS. It always knows the way. When you're ready for transformation, you'll notice that your intuition becomes louder and clearer. You'll start trusting your gut feelings more, even if they don't make logical sense. Maybe you feel drawn to a certain person, place, or opportunity, even though you can't explain why. Mindfulness teaches us to listen to our inner voice. Instead of overthinking or second-guessing yourself, trust that your intuition is guiding you toward your highest good. If something feels right, go for it. If something feels off, step back. Your intuition is your greatest ally in the journey of transformation. Sign 6. You start taking inspired action. The final sign that you're ready for transformation is when you start taking inspired action. This isn't about forcing yourself to do things out of obligation or fear. It's about taking steps that feel aligned with your purpose. Maybe you've been dreaming about writing a book, and suddenly you find yourself writing every day. Or perhaps you've been wanting to get in shape, and now you're excited to hit the gym. Mindfulness teaches us to act with intention. When you take inspired action, you're not just going through the motions, you're moving toward your dreams with purpose and passion. And the more you take these small, aligned steps, the more momentum you'll build. Before you know it, you'll be living a life you once only dreamed of. The twist: transformation is a journey, not a destination. Here's the thing: transformation isn't something that happens overnight. It's a journey, and it's meant to be enjoyed. Mindfulness teaches us to embrace the process, not just the outcome. So, if you've noticed these signs in your life, don't rush. Take your time. Celebrate the small wins. And remember, every step you take is bringing you closer to the life you're meant to live. If you found value in this video, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. It's the best way to stay up to date with all our content on mindfulness, personal growth, and living your best life. And don't forget to tap the notification bell so you never miss a video. There's so much more to explore when it comes to understanding yourself and the world around you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.